Hey everyone, welcome back to Zoba Reviews. Today I have three different drones that I've got from an online store called ZoneAlpha, and I'm going to discuss more about this ZoneAlpha and these drones. So if you are interested to buy any of these drones from ZoneAlpha, I would definitely suggest you to listen to this video because I have used them for almost 2 weeks now, almost on daily basis. So I can give you much more review of these drones, and you can take your call. Okay, first, uh, so basically I ordered set of three drones and a couple of headset, and there was supposed to be a free gift for one. I don't know for which they gave. It's a cheap copy of Samsung earbuds. They were very cheap feeling. I also got another set of earphones. That's a cheap copy of nothing too. I think let me show it. Let me bring it back to you. So these are the ones. I paid 599 for these earbuds. To be honest, it's just cheap 200 rupees earbuds packed inside a same cheap box, and just written CMF nothing. So I would suggest you don't buy this. Okay, like if you're um, scamming someone maybe, but don't buy it for yourself. If it's just like for any regular use, not for music listening or anything really important for calls, and don't buy it. Okay, let us go directly into the drones. So basically I added three drones. A17 aerial drone, S30, and Dynalog. Instead of S30, they told it is out of stock, and they gave me C18 drone. Basically, this is a cheaper model to that. That's why they compensated Dynalog drone with dual battery, so which I'm happy with. But the price they charge for Dynalog, I'm going to come back to that. So like I said, no, please watch it to the end. Okay, so I will give you the list of pricing I have paid. It's same like website. If I'm making any wrong assumption or giving you wrong code here and there, I'm really sorry. You can go and cross check in the website. A17 non-GPS drone. This costed around 2,700 rupees. Single battery Dynalog costed around 7,500 rupees. S30, which I originally bought, costed me around 7,000 rupees, but this version is basically like you know uh, yeah, sorry for the break. I had someone at the door. So basically I was saying I bought these three drones at once, including the nothing earbuds, and there was a 500 difference change. So he said he was going to send a dual battery version of 10 lock, which I'm really happy with. Let me be honest. The day the drones got delivered, I can attach the screenshots to you if needed. So they called me up. Okay, they called me up and asked me if the courier reached me, or today courier is going to come. So they keep keep you to the update. So as soon as I opened the Dynalog drone, I have unboxing video. It's not like I don't have unboxing video. I have, as you can see, the display, it's kind of down. Like if I turn on the remote, you can see I can't see the distance or anything. I informed them there is no response, and I couldn't test this drone, and I couldn't open it everything. I cannot open every drone and test it on the same day. This drone is one of the worst drones I've played with. I have many other drones, but this is worst quality for the price what I have paid. I regret it each and every second. I told him that this drone has quality issues, but there is no response from them again. At least I understand quality issues might be something they don't take up, but this thing, they didn't even respond back. Then I checked about the reviews and everything. There is one person called Jainki Take or something, Shubnam. These are all fraudsters. They take up these drones. They give you fraud reviews. Once I started playing, I understood this is such a cheap drone. Uh, uh, it's very imbalanced. Plastic is crappy. Just for the looks. It's a crappy drone. Like I'm like completely like out and like surprised for selling this at that price. Maybe 2000, 3000 is max for this drone, but 7000 is too much. Okay, and like uh, there is no chance for me to return it, or like they stop responding. There is no warranty guarantee, so that's one backdrop. They like completely neglect you if there is a problem. So they're not going to even like listen to you. Like it's like these are like no warranty, no guarantee Chinese items. So I'm going to come to Daniela last, but A17. So this is a beautiful drone. So someone who is looking to buy a drone, like just for playing indoors, I would suggest this A17 drone. This is an amazing, like it's. I think instead of buying this, buy three of this. Like, you will not regret it. And try to not buy from ZoneAlpha because the price is higher from the other market. So I'm going to come to that in the last. So I bought like 2800 ish or some 3000 close to that. I have bought this. And coming to Dynalog, this guy was selling around 7500 rupees for a single battery version, and for double battery he was charging around 8500 rupees. But I got another same drone single battery version for 6,500 rupees from another site called Antra Mart. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Both drones are same, but quality issues are there. There is no discussion, and like they completely avoided after that. Like as soon as I pointed out WhatsApp, like first day, as soon as it delivered, as soon as it opened, that's what I like understood. They neglected it, and don't buy from them. I would suggest. I know, understand that you get in the like in the top results, they are the ones that will come. But please go and dig into more websites. There are multiple Indian websites, multiple Indians selling the same drones for cheaper price. Just this guy is selling you junk, and like he's charging you more than anybody else. So if 100 rupees like this and like that, buy from others. Please check their videos. These guys are making paid views by these YouTubers, like I mentioned, right? Janaki Tech and Janki Tech, and one more guy, Shubham something. So these guys are doing fraud, in my opinion. I'm going to make multiple videos about each of these drones. I have a complete like discussion happened with ZoneAlpha. Like nothing happened. Basically, like I sent them, they ignored. So those screenshots, unboxing video, all that I'm going to give you. Also I have like recorded each stages of this drone. Currently, if you can see, this drone has a different propeller because these propellers that come with this is crap, like I'm saying, right? Like try to ignore this drone. See 18, if you see anywhere, please ignore it. Like don't even like think of buying this, especially for outdoor. Don't buy it. Like it's one of the worst unstable drones. This is 100 times better than that. If you want, go for this. Better stability, better fun in flying. Yeah, but I like Dynlog, so I got another one. I'm happy with it, and I have my DJ as well, so everything is fine. So I'm going to make each and like each one of these drones into separate videos, and the journey of these drones like from the time they have come to me. So how to fly, how to like use them, or like how to repair them. So I have in fact opened a drone, completely dismantled it, like assembled it. So I think I understand what's inside it. But this one is definitely crap. I keep telling you, C18, if you hear this word, don't buy it. Try to avoid Zone Alpha. If they are giving good offer, go for it. But like remember that there is no warranty guarantee. Whatever crap it comes to you, you should accept it. They're not going to refund you anything. So it's your own risk. There are quality issues for sure, especially with this drone and this drone. Even Dialog, I didn't know that they're going to send like defective product. At least if they have responded saying that like we don't deal, like we won't give. At least if they have said that, it is fine. They completely ignore you, like you can't reach them out after that. So yeah, this is my honest review of Zone Alpha. I am going to make each one of these drones and complete video of the Zone Alpha as a separate video that will include the public reviews and like others discussing about this, how they're able to manipulate the drone market, like especially in the Thai category. They have around 2.6 real reviews, 2.6 stars for 5 as real reviews, but they fake all the reviews in that. I have gone through all the reviews, so I can going to make video on that, like how they are doing it. So please do comment down if you have any questions, or if you have any problems in Zone Alpha, please do reach out to me. I'm going to include that in the video as well. Thanks guys, bye bye.